In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone's phone number on Android. So there are varieties of ways that you can use to block a phone number on your Android. You can block the phone number from calling you. You can block the phone number from sending you SMS. You can also block someone else's phone number on WhatsApp. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now we'll start by blocking someone else's phone number from calling you on Android phone. So open the dialer app. Then click on the number you want to block. So let's say I want to block this number. Click on it once and then click on this menu option or the info option on your device. It depends. So if you have just this info option on your Android phone, then that's what you're going to click when you expand the number on the dialer page. So in this case, you can see I'm only having this menu button. So once you click on that menu button, then just come down here and click on block. Then you choose the pop that says block contact. You no longer receive calls or messages from this contact. So once you hit the block button, your Android phone will block this contact from sending you messages and at the same time from putting a call through to you. However, if what you have here, when you click on the contact, is the info icon, that is this particular info icon, then click on it. So once you click on the info icon, you'll be taken to the contact page. So on the contact page, you can just click on more option and then click on block contact. So once you click on block contact, you should see block contact. You no longer receive any calls or messages from this particular contact. So this is one of the ways to block contact on Android. And then this has blocked the contact from calling you as well as sending you messages. Another way you can use to block contact on your Android phone is open the contact app. Then once you open the contact application like this, search for the number you want to block. So let's say I want to block this particular contact. Then click on it. Once you click on the number again, click on this menu option. Then click on block contact. Then again, you see a pop that says block contact. Then go ahead and block this contact by clicking on block. You can see this contact will be blocked. Then you can unblock the contact by clicking on the menu option again and click on unblock. So now you block the contact via the dialer pad and then via the contact page. Another way you can use to block someone else's number from calling you on Android is to also block this number from calling you on WhatsApp. To do this is quite simple. Just go to your WhatsApp application, then click on the settings icon click on the menu icon on top right if you're using Android, then access the settings page. Here, you want to block contact here by clicking on privacy. Once you selected privacy, just scroll down until you get to block contact. Then select that. Then you should see your list of blocked contacts. Now click on this icon at top right to add contact to the list you want to block. Here, let's say I want to block this contact again, Jasper. Then tap the contact and you can see, please wait a moment. Then the contact will be blocked on your WhatsApp account. So these are the few ways that you can use to block someone from calling you on Android. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.